China, Global Rank 3. America, Global Rank 1. China, Dedicated Attack Aircraft, 371. America, Dedicated Attack Aircraft, 843. China, Mobile Rocket Projectors, 3145. America, Mobile Rocket Projectors, 1716. China, Self-Propelled Artillery, 2795. America, Self-Propelled Artillery, 1000. China, Attack Helicopters, 281. America, Attack Helicopters, 983. China, Towed Artillery, 1434. America, Towed Artillery, 1339. China, Tank Strength, 4950. America, Tank Strength, 5500. China, Armored Vehicles, 174,300. America, Armored Vehicles, 303,553. China, Total Aircraft, 3,166. America, Total Aircraft, 13,300. China, Fighter Aircraft, 1,199. America, Fighter Aircraft, 1914. China, Transports Aircraft, 288. America, Transports, 962. China, Trainers Aircraft, 397. America, Trainers Aircraft, 2634. China, Special Mission Aircraft, 112. America, Special Mission Aircraft, 731. China, Helicopters, 913. America, Helicopters, 5584. China, Navy Fleet, 730. America, Navy Fleet, 484. China, Frigates, 43. America, Frigate, 0. China, Submarines, 78. America, Submarines, 68. China, Corvettes, 72. America, Corvettes, 22. China, Patrol Vessels, 150. America, Patrol Vessels, 10. China, Aircraft Carriers, 2. America, Aircraft Carriers, 11. China, Helicopter Carriers, 3. America, Helicopter Carriers, 9. China, Destroyers, 50. America, Destroyers, 92. China, Mine Warfare, 36. America, Mine Warfare, 8. China, reaching military age annually, 19,747,557. America, reaching military age annually, 4,385,445. China, active personnel, 2 million. America, active personnel, 1,390,000. China, reserve personnel, 510,000. America, reserve personnel, 442,000. China, paramilitary forces, 625,000. America, paramilitary force, 0.